Zainey friends, I'm Laney.
I'm Marshall.
And we are behind on our beauty box subscriptions. So in this video, we are bringing you Boxycharm for January and February. And we're going to go through it.
Kick it into overdrive. Let's go.
Right. It's happening. For the January box, Rock 2018. Rock and roll. Because there is a card, Marshall will select the items and show you what they are while I read off the card.
Okay. Brow Power from It. Is it It
Cosmetics.
Yeah, It Cosmetics. This is the Universal Brow Pencil.
I do like their brow pencils. I tried a small one. This is a retail value of $24. Now, Boxycharm, I believe, is $22, if I remember correctly. So, this is definitely already paid for in itself. I love it because you get five to six, sometimes 7 full-size products in here.
And this is in the shade Universal Taupe.
Which is actually my shade. Taupe is the shade that I use on my brows. I like lighter brows, so yeah. But this one's interesting because it has biotin, lecithin, saw palmetto, nettle, green tea, antioxidants, grapeseed, vitamins A, B5, C, and E, and a brow power technology. Yes.
Nanites on your eyes.
Yeah, but hey, cool. That's cool.
From Dr. Brandt, Pores No More Luminizer Primer.
Primer. Okay, so I'm glad I got this in a box because the thing costs $38. Crazy. I use Dr. Brandt stuff when I get it, but it's okay. I don't know. I'm just not a fan.
Are you a fan of Galactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint?
$23.
The box on this has gotten a little mangled here.
It has, because I've already taken it out and taken pictures of it all, so that's why it's a little bit mangled. Yeah, let's show them the color. Do you know what the name of the color is?
Posh.
Posh.
Le Posh.
I have gotten one from them before, and it was this really dark color. This one seems lighter, so I'll probably end up wearing it. Awesome. In 2017, Boxycharm was sending a palette almost every box, and in this one, I got 2.
Ooh.
Kind of.
So here we have the Pure Bronze and Brighten.
This is worth $34. I do like Pure. Okay, here is my first impressions, and I think I'm going to play around with this a little bit more. The blush color is shimmery and a little peachy, so I think it will be okay for me. The highlighter looks really pretty. The bronzer I will have to play around with and see if it is my color, because I feel like it might be a little too much, but
it seems a little too more in the yellow.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
This entire thing has a little bit too much yellow, I feel, for you.
So I might end up just putting it, I try to sell things every once in a while on my other Instagram, which I can link down below. I might just do that.
Okay, and this one is the Glam Metals from Crown Pro.
Which we get a lot of brushes from Crown. This one is a $25 palette.
Okay, I like the mirror on here. I'll show it to you briefly. It's in the shape of a guitar.
That's fun.
Okay.
Well, the colors on here are interesting.
Yeah.
I have a lot of palettes. I don't know if this is something that I would reach for like all the time, but I think it's fun. They look to be all pretty shimmery with the exception of the black one, which looks to be matte.
I think all of these do kind of go in your wheelhouse, although the Rock On and Pop Rock might be a little bit outside of that.
I do have some of these colors and other things. I mean, the grays and blues kind of called to me a little bit, but the problem is this is supposed to be for smoky eye looks, and I don't wear a lot of smoky eye looks. So again, this might be one that I sell off maybe. So the combined value, if I can do this off the top of my head, $145.
Wow.
In here.
For what, $30 box? $40?
For a $22 box. 21, 22. Pretty cool. Yeah, so that's January's box. Super fun. What is this? Oh, there's an ingredient list to the Dr. Brandt. Okay, now we are in February. Galaxy Glow is the theme for February.
That kind of goes with the January Ipsy a little bit. It's got kind of an 80s feel to it.
It kind of does, yes.
Okay. So from Cover FX, we got a Shimmer Veil thing.
It's an eyeshadow. It's like a creamy eyeshadow. Look how pretty that is.
Okay, so you're seeing a lot. There you go. It's a very interesting shimmer shade.
Oh, it's not an eyeshadow. It's a cream but you can use it for eye looks, or you can like use it as a highlighter.
Okay, and this is in the tone Amethyst. It's really interesting because you can't see it very well on camera, I don't think, because of all of our lighting, the way that it's going off it. But it does have a nice kind of pinky amethyst color with a nice iridescence to it. It gives it a little bit more of a blue shine.
The retail value is $28.
Okay, well, there's the price of the box right there.
That is.
Well, we've got brushes galore here.
That's from Crown Pro. So this is their trio brush set. This one could probably be used as more of a contour, or you can either do it a highlight blush thing happening. This one right here, it says it can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. Actually, they're saying this one is more of a powder brush, and the small one is for concealing and highlighting.
I actually really like the contour of the brush handles themselves. It's got nice grip to it. Helps it stay a little bit more in control. And
a lot of their crown brushes do have that as well. I have one that's more tapered that I use like right here. The retail price is $29 for this one.
Okay, then we've got the Exfo Lips from Pure.
This is a lip exfoliator, plumping lip exfoliator, which is $17. I would like to try this. I don't know how I feel about it because I already used some other exfoliators and things, and I don't really like the plumping, but we will see. What did I say? It was $17. Okay.
Vintage by Jessica Libinski. It's a smoky eye pencil.
The retail price is $21. I do not like these kind of eye pencils that are just a pencil that you can sharpen. It kind of too much. All right, and then there's actually two things together.
Okay, that's interesting.
So this is one, and I actually missed this because it was sitting upside down.
Oh. And
when I opened it, I was like, okay, well, I got these items. That's awesome. And then someone was like, well, did you get the Z palette? And I was like, say what? So this is the palette, which opens really fun.
That is kind of cool.
I needed one of these, so I'm happy. And then that is the blush.
Winter Rose Glow.
In Godet. Yes. The palette is $19. This is just a mini palette. And then that blush, long-lasting pigment. I do like that blush. I have another Z palette that I keep all my Pretties for Your Face highlighters in, so I wanted one for blush, so that works well as well. So I'm super excited about that. So basically the brushes, and the Cover FX highlighter thing, I'm excited about. It's a good box. It's not the best box I've ever gotten. For the total value, $126. So not as much as January's box, but still a very good value considering you only paid $21. Yes. So let me know what your favorite thing is that you've gotten in Boxycharm, or if there is a different subscription box you think is better. Let us know in the comments below. But thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
stay zany.
Bye-bye.